Welcome to IGI Learning Hub. In this channel, you will explore technical concepts and clear your doubts step by step. So, we first started our automation testing in terms of Java. Okay, so in Java, we'll do our automation testing. So, first we'll get to know what's the basics of Java, what are the requirements are there in Java itself. So when you talk about Java, the first thing in come to our mind, what is JDK, JRE, and JVM concepts? So these three are the more basics concept of Java. So this we need to be clear in this video. Then the second is language supported by automation. So we are various kind of languages which are supported in automation. So the first is Java. Then we have Java installation, how you can install, setting up paths and variable, and then we have a basics of Java. So when we talk about Java, so we have some kind of mind कि हम थोड़ा सा उसका history understand कर लेते हैं कि what's the history of it. So Java was developed by James Gosling, Patrick Norton, and Mike Sheridan. So these three person are called as a green team. Okay, and at Sun Microsystem in 1991 they developed a Java. So they write one code. Okay, एक code उन्होंने लिखा and they need to give some name to it. So first the name is green top. Then it renamed to oak. Oak is nothing but a tree. Okay. So but oak was already a registered trademark company. उस time पे एक already trademark company था, एक tech company था. So then you can't like उसके बाद आप वापस से oak नहीं रख सकते. Then it was renamed to Java in 1995. If you just go through the symbol of Java, okay, तो अगर आप उसके symbol पे concentrate करोगे, so this kind of coffee mug, okay, so coffee mug के जैसा है, तो it's kind of coffee strong, right? तो actually the history was a little bit of it कि when these three person are discussing about the name of Java, they are sit on a coffee shop, okay, and वो लोग coffee shop में थे. So coffee जब वो लोग पी रहे थे तो the coffee is very strong and Java is also a very strong programming language. So that time they come into the mind the symbol of it कि the Java symbol should be a coffee mug. Okay, so like a funny history. Okay, then there are after that there are 930 millions JRE which is Java runtime environment downloaded and 3 billion mobile phones run in Java. Okay, then we talk about some features of it. Okay, what are the features are included in Java? Okay, so the features of Java is free and open source. When we talk about free, so we don't require any kind of license. Okay, हमें कोई पे नहीं करना है Java installation के लिए. It's already free. You can download it via Oracle site or any other site, and you can install it in your system and you can use it. No required for pay anything, or you have 3 months license, you have 4 month license like that. Okay, second is simple. Yeah, Java is simple. I'm not talking about it's very easy, right? But kind of it's a sign kind of syntax. कुछ syntax है उसके. Once you get to know the syntax, once you are hands on, it's very easy to you to understand. Java is a high level programming language. Yeah, definitely. अभी मार्केट में वेरियस काइंड ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस है. जावा स्क्रिप्ट है, पाइथन है, राइट, वी हैव अ रूबी ऑल्सो. बट जावा इज काइंड ऑफ वेरी high level programming language. Most of the company are still using Java because it's very secure, it's robust, because strong also, right? And OOPS concept is also supported in Java, like inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction. This all our concept will get to know by step. Okay, then automatic garbage collection is also involved. Automatic garbage collection is nothing but a memory allocation. Memory allocation, that means via JVM, okay, which it's automatically handled your memory. That means if you are allocating, if you assign any value to a variable and the variable you are not using it. So for that reason, the JVM will easily handle your memory. Okay. Then we have a JVM. Yes. See, in this video, we'll know JVM, JRE, and JDK. So JVM is nothing but is a very important concept about JVM is like that. See, if you go to the working structure of JVM, Okay, so here is the working structure of JVM. So in the JVM is a virtual machine, is a software implementation of a physical machine. Okay, so here if you just go, the code which you written, okay, जो आप कोड लिखोगे उसका जो एक्सटेंशन which you saved is डॉट जावा. जैसे हम टेक्स्ट फाइल बनाते हैं, टेक्स्ट फाइल में हमारा जो एक्सटेंशन होता है जो हम सेव करते हैं फाइल वो डॉट टीएक्सटी होता है. वैसे ही हम जावा में डॉट जेएवीए जावा का एक्सटेंशन सेव करते हैं. दैट मीन्स हमारा सोर्स कोड सेव हो गया. देन जेवीएम क्या करता है, उसको कंपाइल करता है. जब वो कंपाइल करता है तो जो फाइल है वो जे जावा सी में कंपाइल होती है. दैट मीन्स सी उसके आगे ऐड हो जाता है विच इज कंपाइलर फाइल. आफ्टर दैट क्या होता है, वो डॉट क्लास फाइल बनती है विच इज जावा बाइट कोड. डॉट क्लास फाइल एक्सटेंशन बनता है. जब हम इसका प्रैक्टिकल करेंगे तब आपको आइडिया आएगा कि हाउ इट गोस. देन फिर जेवीएम जो होता है देन वो क्लास फाइल को कन्वर्ट करता है आपके ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के हिसाब पे. तो जेवीएम जो है वो डॉट क्लास फाइल को रीड करता है. देन उसके हिसाब से वो अपने प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में उसको रन करता है. ओके, सो दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क्स. सी, it is a software which accepts bytecode as an input and convert into a machine level code. We write Java source code, then Java compile, translate into a bytecode, that means intermediate language, and then via JVM, which is platform dependent, translate into the machine level language. Okay, so the JVM does not understand the Java type. That's why you compile your Java file to obtain a class file. Then class file को obtain करते हैं हम लोग bytecodes में, which is understandable by JVM. So JVM will only understand your file of dot क्लास फाइल और वो क्लास फाइल को वो कन्वर्ट करता है आपके ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के हिसाब से. दैट्स व्हाई वी सेड यू कैन राइट योर कोड इन वन operating system and you can run it to various operating system via JVM because JVM is easily uh, translate your code to various operating system. Okay, then we have our JDK and JRE. So what is JDK and JRE? So JDK is nothing but a development kit. Okay, so आप अगर कभी इंस्टॉलेशन करोगे आपका जावा का तो आप you'll get to know that is a one package which is JDK, is a development kit. That JDK involves JRE and JVM also. That means you don't need to download separately JVM and JRE. You have to install JDK in your system and you can easily do it, right? You can easily run it. So like that, see, this is your the entire JDK. ये आपका JDK है, ठीक है. इस JDK में you have your JRE, JVM and others development tools, other kind of libraries are also there. तो हम जब कुछ चीज डाउनलोड करते हैं जावा का डाउनलोड, तो उसमें जेडीके हम इंस्टॉलेशन करते हैं, उसमें हमारा जेआरई भी होता है और जेवीएम भी होता है. ठीक है. सो JDK is nothing but is a development kit, is a superset of JRE, that means Java runtime environment, and contains JRE plus tools of compiler, debugger, all these things. अब what is JRE? JVM तक समझ में आ गया हमें. JDK is also a kit of it, which is including both of. Okay. JRE is nothing but Java runtime environment that provides the libraries that Java virtual machine and other components to run applications written in Java program. So basically, JRE हम कब use करते हैं? When you need to run your code only. आपको अगर रन टाइम पे उसको रन करना है, ठीक है, तो हम JRE इंस्टॉल करते हैं. सो JRE में इंक्लूड क्या होता है आपका JVM एंड अदर लाइब्रेरीज. सो इफ यू डोंट नीड टू राइट योर कोड, ओके, आपके पास ऑलरेडी ये कोड है और आपको सिर्फ वो कोड को रन करना है, on that time you can install JRE. But I'll suggest you instead of downloading JRE, you can download JDK only because is a superset of, right, JRE is a superset of JDK. तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली उसमें इन्वॉल्व होता है, तो विच इज योर इजी टू डू इट. यू डोंट रिक्वायर टू separate download for each of the file, which is easy also, right? So like that the internal structure of JDK, which is Java Development Kit. I hope you'll understand my concept, और I'll hope मैंने बहुत सारे डाउट्स आपके क्लियर भी किए होंगे JDK, JRE और JVM के रिलेटेड. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to IGI Learning Hub. Thank you. Thank you so much.